So guys, from the before video I just thought it means a little bit of simple interest, compound interest. So let us have 2 minutes of revision. So simple interest formula is P at into T divided by 100. Okay, so what is the simple interest? Simple interest equal to amount minus of principal. Okay, that's the most important thing. So for compound interest also, compound interest means amount minus of principal. But for compound interest, amount is P 1 plus R divided by 100 of the power will be N. Okay, if it is given as half the year means it is supposed given as it is R divided by 2 and N of means N will be 2 times of N. Okay, generally this thing is everything will be written based upon the year wise. It means 12 months like that. So if it's given about 36 months means divided by 12 months we need to put. That's the most important thing. So rate of interest for quarterly means R divided by 4 times of N. Okay, I think so you got the point. So in next day we just started a good problem, so we can just go to the next thing. Okay, now we can just see this problem. So you can see 300 men can do work in 16 days. Okay, it means one work 300 men 16 days. Okay, how many men can do the same amount of work? It means 1/5 of work. It means how many men can do 1/5 of the work in 15 days. Okay, so how much men is needed? Okay. Okay. Wow. So what is the thing? So men's into days divided by work equal to men's into days divided by work. Okay. Work is given just to 1/5. So what will be the thing? So it's about 16 days. Okay. So then 1 day work. Okay, 16 days. Okay, so then we can just write this as wow. So for 300 men can do work in 16 days, then 1 man can do work in 1/16/300. Okay, so but anyways, but this is not that much important. It's in my point of view, that's not that much necessary. It means they are asking the same. Okay, so men's is 300 into 16 days divided by 1 of work. So men is how much? So days is 15 days divided by 1/5 of work. Okay, so men's we can just calculate 300 into 16 5 divided by 15 into 5 equal to men's 2. So calculate, we'll just get the answer. Okay, that's it. Okay, I think so. Getting the point. So next thing you can see, this is on a quite a challenging problem. So you can see in a hostel there are enough food for 25 days. Okay, in hostel enough food 25 days sufficient for 25 days sufficient for 40 students. Okay, after 5 days. Okay, until 20th day 40 students is been using. Okay, so after it means after 5 days, so 10 students completely left the hostel. Okay, so 25 days. Okay, for the next 5 days also means until 20th day they are using, and after 20th day only 30 students are using. Okay, for how many days the remaining food is sufficient for remaining number of students? Okay, so for example 25 days means 40 students can use it. So after 5 days, after 20th day only 30 students are there. Okay, so definitely the days will keeps on increasing. Okay, instead of being 20 days maybe 22 23 like this. So how many days? So they are asking the x. Okay, such a good question. So we need to just calculate for 30 students. So generally how much? So you can see we can calculate the x. So 25 will be 40 into 30 equal to x. Okay, x. This 20 days only will come. Yes, because we are calculating according to 20 day. Okay, 20. So how much? So x equal to 26.673. So the days is coming 26.67 days. But what they have just asking, so for how many days remaining food is sufficient for total? So they are asking the extra days. Okay, so extra days is 26.67 minus of 20. Okay, 6.67 days extra. Just a simple thing, guys. You can see until the 20th day, it means 40 students will be. Okay, it means 25 days, 40 students. Until the day of 20, they are about how much students? 40 students. Okay, so after that, definitely they will have a, it means change of value, so 30. Okay, that's it. So we can just go for the next problem. A contract has been completed. A contract has to be completed in 16 days. So 46 days equal to 46 days, and 117 men were appointed. One men equal to 117. Each men's work, so hours equal to 8 hours. So but after 33 days, 4 by 7th of work is completed. Okay, how many additional men must be appointed so that they can complete the remaining amount? Okay, so difference. Okay, so means days is 46 into minus 117 into 8 hours, so divided by 33. So after 33 days, so it means 4 by 7th of work equal to, it means since it is 33 days means here 33, on this side men's will be 30, 46 minus 33, 3 1, so 13 days. Here men's extra into how much additional means, so complete given same time. Okay, 8 hours divided by 3 by 7th of work. Work gets cancelled, 7 7 gets cancelled, 8 8 gets cancelled. So you can see 33 into 117 divided by 4 equal to 13 into men divided by 3. Okay, 33 into 117, 13 into 3 into 4 equal to men. Okay, so while calculating how much thing will come, so I think so you can understand this one. So such a easy logic only. 33, so 7 7 gets cancelled, definitely. Hey, wait, how many additional men must be appointed so that the work can complete in the given same time each man now? So I think so here why they have written 9 means here in between they have just maybe they have given the question 9 hours. So if 9 hours means you should put here 9, that's it. So while you are calculating, each and every answer will come. Okay, that's it. So you can go for the next question. So a contract has to be completed in 40 days. Okay, days is 40 days we have to complete, and the contractor appoints men is 100 men. He could complete the work okay until, it means until 4 day, until 35 days he was giving, and he has done the work. Okay, he recalculated and appointed 100 more men and complete the work in a given day. Okay, this is later. So and after the next thing, it means men is this much, so 100 months extra completed the, it means days is completed, extra days is 5 days. Okay, if he had not appointed 100 more men, how many behind the schedule? Okay, they are asking the days. Good question. So they are asking the days first. Okay, we don't know how much the work he has completed. Okay, so it means for 35 days 100 men was working. Okay, so after that after 5 days 200 men were working. Okay, men into time divided by work, to men into time divided by work. Okay, so work is same. Okay, let us assume like 35 days into 100 men divided by work, maybe. Okay, work they have given, of his calculation went wrong. Okay, he recalculated and appointed to given. Okay, divided by how much work we don't know, work 1 we can do. So later on 100, so 200 means into the 5 days only they are working and completing the extra what total work. So equal to, suppose, so 100 into 40 days divided by same work, okay, 100 into D, okay, work will cancel, so into, so this is days, so extra days will be extra 10 days, so you will just take extra 10 days, I think so. Okay, you can see extra 10 days. Wow, remaining, okay, 200 minutes for working, okay, it means 35 days plus of 10 days, okay, so 45 days you will just work on. Okay, we can just go for next question. So every time R is given means would complete, okay, so 5 men plus 10 women can complete work in 100 days, okay, when same one 3 men plus 14 women can complete same work in days they are asking. So into 3, 15 men, 30 women, 100 days. So this one into 5, 15 men into 14 5 7 2 1 by 7, 70 women equal to 5D minus wow, good, we have made a good mistakes. So today learned lesson is this one, okay, we should not go with this approach. Okay, so you can see 5 men or 10 women can do, it means 5 men can do work in 100 days and 10 women can do the work in 100 days, okay. So same 3 men can do 3 men plus of 14 women equal to how many days? Okay, so 1 man equal to 100 divided by 5, okay, 1 woman equal to 100 divided by 10, so 1 woman can do 10 times or 10% of the work, 1 man can do this much amount of work, okay, 20, so 1 man equal to 20. So I think so we need to go and implement, so 100 divided by, okay, 3 into 20, 60, let us leave it, so 60 plus of 140, so 200, okay, okay guys, I got the point. Okay, so where we have just made a mistake is, so we have to just interlate, so 5 men means 5 men and this one we have to interlate, 5 men into 100 divided by work equal to 10 women into 100 divided by work, okay, each and everything as well, so 1 man equal to 2 times of women. So now we have to just interlate this one, so 3 men plus of 14 women into days they are asking, days divided by work equal to same work, 5 men into 100 divided by work cancel, so 1 man equal to 2 times of 1, so 2 times of woman is 6 times woman plus of 14W into D equal to, this one you can write 10 women into 100, so 20 women into D equal to 10 women into 100, so D equal to 50 days, okay, I think so you can understand. So next we can just go and do this one, so this is 7th, 10 men's 8 days, 10 women's can do in 12 days, so means 6 men plus of 3 women, so same thing, okay, 10 men's into 8 divided by work equal to 10 women's into 12 divided by work, so 8W equal to 12 times of W, 4 6 2 3, so men's equal to 3 by 2 of women's, okay, I think so. Now we can just put on calculator, so 6 6 plus of 3 months into days divided by work equal to this one 10 months into 8 divided by work. So you can calculate and you can find the answer. So you can go for the next one. So next one is you can see 5 skilled person 5 skilled person do work in 20 days, 8 semi skilled person 25 days, okay. 10 unskilled person can do same work in 30 days. In how many days 2 skilled person 2 skilled plus 6 semi skilled plus a 5 unskilled person can do the same work. So what is a 1 day work? Skilled person means 20 divided by 5, so 1 day work is 4. Semi skilled SCME semi 25 divided by 8, unskilled 30 divided by 10. So okay, so I think so we did a good mistake again, okay. Work is same, so same formula. So 5 semi skilled into 20 divided by W work, 8 into 25 divided by W into 10 into 30 divided by W. So you can see take a common as 5 1 5 6. So 20 is means divided by 2, okay. 10 4 5, okay. So 10 of skilled equal 20 of semi equal to 30 of unskilled. So 1 skilled equal to 2 semi skilled equal to 3 unskilled. So this is the equation, okay. So now let us write the equation. So and okay means 2 skilled plus 6 semi skilled plus a 5 unskilled work equal to 5 skilled into 20 divided by 4 cancel. So you can see 2 semi skilled is how much? 2, it means so 1 by 2, 2 plus of 6 by 2 plus of 5 divided by 3 to 5 into 20 days, okay. So you know you can calculate and the answer will come, that's it, okay. Now we can just go to the next question. The next question is 2 men work in 4 days, okay. 4 men are plus 7 women can do the same work in 3 days. How many days 2 men can do, okay. So I think so for this you can just calculate this one. So this one 4 will come, this one 14 will come, so 8 will come, so minus, so 7 women equal to 8 minus 3 are 8 minus 3 5, so women equal to 5 divided by 7, okay. So 2 men means we just put and go and find the men work. This one 4 so 10, this one 10, so this one is 5, okay. Women is 1 by 2, so calculate men and later on how we can do men and women we have just calculated, okay. So later on what you need to do, 2 men into day into this one 4 men plus of 4 women into 3, okay. Or sometimes you can also do like this, 2 men plus of 7 women into days equal to days is 4 days, okay. Or 4 men into 4 women into 3 days. So make a relation between men's and women's. So after calculating men's equal to 4 times of women's, we can just proceed, okay. and later on you just calculate answer you will get. Okay, so you can just see this problem. So you can see A alone can do work in 20 days. Okay, A alone can do work in 20 days. B can do work in same work in 25 days. A started to work alone. After 5 days he left. Okay, he completely left. In how many days B can complete the remaining? Oh, A, it means he worked for 5 days, and only 5 days he just worked, and later on it means A left and B joined, B came, and in how many days B will complete the work. What is the total number of days required to complete this? It means okay. Then what is the 1 day work of A? 1 day work is A, 1 day work is, wait. A completes, okay, it means one work. Okay, say 1 day he may complete 1 divided by 20, it's A. Say for B, 1 day he completes 1 by 25 fifth of work. Okay, so A is currently working, it means 1 by 20, it means A is working about only 5 days, and B need to come, B, it means B will come and join the same work. X divided by 25 equal to 1. So okay, based upon this calculate the amount of X. What will be the X value? It means this is just a 1 day work. Okay, so X comes around 18.75. so X can complete the remaining work 18.75. so 18.75 plus of 5 is our answer. Then 23.75 is the answer. Okay, that's it, finished. So you can go for the next one. So A alone can complete a work, one work equal to 8 days. So 1 day he can complete 1 by 8 of work, it means A. So B can same the work in B, 1 day work of B is 1 by 6 B. In how many days? A in so D divided by 8 plus of D divided by 6 equal to 1. So into 3 into 4, 3 4 over 7D divided by 24 equal to 1. Okay, 7D equal to 24, D equal to 24 divided by 7. So this is the answer. So literally they can do in 3.42 days, that's it. So you can just see the next. A alone can do work in 8 days. So next one we can see A can do work in 80 days. A alone. Okay, so A plus B 60 days. So B the same work, how much B can do? Okay, so 1 day A can do 1 by 80 of work. So 1 day A plus B can do the work in 1 by 60. Okay, so what is the relations of B? Okay, so 1 day work of entire thing. Okay, for 1 day work of A. Okay, so so for example B can do one work in X days. Okay, it means okay, first we need to calculate the 1 day work of B. Okay, what is the 1 day work? 1 day work of B is 1 divided by D. Okay, we don't know the day. So 1 divided by 80 plus 1 divided by D equal to 1 by 60. So 1 divided by 80 minus of 1 divided by 60 equal to 1 divided by D minus. Okay, so minus 20 divided by let us suppose into 3 into 4, 3 4. So minus 1 divided by 240 equal to minus 1 by d. Okay, d can do the work in 240 days. Okay, that's it. So next thing you can see A alone 12 days, B alone, C alone. Okay, so 1 day work, you just need to compare the 1 day work. 1 by 12. Wait. 1 day, it means A alone can do 1 day work equal to 1 work divided by 12 days. So 1 day work of 1 by 15, 1 day work of C is 1 by 20. So how many days? Okay, then so then 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 into days equal to 1 day work for 1 day work of B we can take. Okay, 15. For suppose you just took the answer means you will get the answer. Okay, wait, where we are just doing the mistake. Same work. Okay, same work. Okay, one only. Okay, so I'll just explain. So you can see it means 1 day work is all this much. Okay, it means 1 day work only. So 1 by 12 of work is there. So what is the work percentage of 1 work? Okay, that's it. So they need 5 days to complete this kind of remaining work. Okay, that's it. So we can just go for the next question. This one. So A alone can do work in 40 days. B alone can do the work in same 60 days. They started working together. After 12 days, A completely left the work. So A worked for next 12 days. And how many days? B completed. Okay, B how many days? What is the total number of days? Okay, the same question as before. So 1 day work of A is 1 by 40. 1 day work of B is 1 by 60. So A is working for 12 by 12 days into 40 plus of x divided by 60 equal to 1. Okay, work is 1. So while you are calculating, we will get the B equal to 42. So B x equal to 42 days. B need to complete the remaining. Okay, what is the total number of days required to complete the full work? So 42 plus of 12, 54. Sorry, literally sorry guys. So you can see they started to working together. Working together. Okay, so here you can see 12 days for D will go plus of the B will also work the 12 days plus of x days divided by 60 equal to 1. Okay, so while you are calculating, x will work for how many days extra? This x is extra work, so 30 days. So total is 12 plus of 30, 42. Okay, because I did not see they started working together. So this one can just complete. A alone 12 days, B alone 30 days. A started to work. After 5 days, B joined. Then okay, 1 day work of A is 1 divided by 12. 1 day work of B is 1 divided by 30. For the first initial 5 days, A is working. Initial 5 days, A is working, okay. A plus of x divided by 12 plus x divided by 30 equal to 1, okay. Now you calculate the x. X means it is extra amount of days A and B was working, okay. Okay, so extra is x is extra days 5 days, so total number of days is 5 days plus of 5 days equal to 10 days, okay. So you can just go for next question. So A alone, A here alone works for 16 days, B works for 32 days, C works for 48 days. They are started together after 4 days, okay. Oh, A plus B plus C 4 days working, okay. So after B it means B also left and the work after, but 2 days before the B left the work before completion of work, before -2, okay. Before that, so how many total is there? So in 1 day work of A is 1/16 of A, 1 day work of 1/32 of B, 1 day work of C is 1/48 of C, okay. So to complete so all started working, so 1 divided by 16, so it means you can see A is working for the complete hours, okay. So A D plus of B left the work D minus of 2 divided by 32, so plus C left the work, okay. So C left the work means D minus of 4 divided by 48 equal to 1, okay. We this correct, okay. See, you can see C only work for 4 days, so 4 divided by 48, okay. C did not leave the, okay, good mistake, okay. So now if you calculate means you will get the exact amount of work. So total is 10.44. C working worked for 4 days. Wait, still how many questions I think so. A plus B 12 days, B plus C 15 days, A plus C 20 days. So in how many days A, B, C together complete work? Sorry. Maybe let us go like this, okay. A plus B, okay. C plus B 12 equal to 15, so this will cancel, so minus 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 A minus C equal to minus of 3, so this will become A plus C equal to 20. This thing 2 times of A equal to minus 17, so A is 17 divided by 2. That definitely I may go in a wrong way, okay. See, So 1 day work of A, 1 of A plus 1 of B to 1 divided by 12. So the same thing. They are adding 1 of B plus 1 of C equal to 1 by 15. 1 of A plus 1 of C equal to 1 by 20. So they are adding all of the things. So while they are adding all of the things, you can see they entered into D. Okay, so you can see 1 by 10. Okay, you can see this one A plus B plus C equal to 10. Okay, they are doing 10 days of work. Okay, so I think so you can easily able to do and calculate the A answer. Okay, suppose you can see A plus B plus C equal to 10 days. So what is the 1 day work? 1 day work of A plus 1 day equal to A plus B plus C divided by 10. So they're asking 1 day work of A. Maybe D divided by, no, like this it won't come. Okay, I'll just check this and I'll just reply you. So next thing you can just go A plus B equal to 12, B plus C equal to 16. In this situation, A worked at it alone for A for 5 days he is working. After that B worked, after 5 days B came, worked for 7 days. So C completed the remaining work in 13 days. In how many days C can complete the flow? C alone means how many days he can. Okay, then total A plus B plus C is 25 days. Okay, what is the 1 day? 1 by 5 of A. Okay, 1 divided by 7 is work of B. Let us give a try. 7 plus of 5 divided by 20, 35 equal to 12. Good question. So A works for 5 days. They're little asking such a good and great questions. So 1 day work of A is 1 by 5, 1 day work of B is 1 by 7, 1 day work of C is 1 by 13. So let's go like this: 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 13 into days equal to 1. I just got the thing. So A work for 5 days, okay. So 5 1 by A. B work for 7 days, 7 1 by B, and plus C works for 1 by 13. C equal to complete work, okay. So now we just splitting, you can see 5 plus 2, okay. 5 1 by A plus of this one 5 1 by B, okay. This one will do plus of 2 will be there, 2 1 by B plus of 2 will go 1 by C. So plus of 11 1 by C equal to 1. So 1 plus A and B equal to everything, how much will be 1 by 12. So 5 divided by 12 plus 2 divided by 1 by 16 plus 11 of C equal to 1. So C alone can do work in 24 days. Wow, good question. Okay, we can just go for the next equation. Next question. A B 50 days. If they start and finish work simultaneously, then what is the share of A? Then 1 day work of A is 1 by 10. 1 day work of B is 1 by how much? 15. So total number of days need to complete the work. Total number of days needed 1 divided by 10 D plus 1 divided by 15 times D equal to 1. So into 10 into 15 into 10. So 15D plus of 10D divided by 150 to 1. So 25D to 150. 1 days equal to 6. So 6 days needed, okay. So 1 day work of 1 day work is means 6 divided by 10 into 3000. So 1 day work of B is how much? So 6 divided by 15 into 3000. So 1 day work of A is how much? 1800. So this one 1 day work of B is 1200. Okay. You can guys, you can see this is not 1 day. You can see everywhere 6 days. Okay, 6 everywhere. So that's why we are multiplying in 6. Okay. So you can see the next question. Soon you will just finish. Oh, A is twice as good as B. Okay. So A is twice good as B, 2 times of B. Okay. They together can complete and finish work. Okay. A plus of B equal to 16 days. And A alone means how much? So 3B equal to 16. So B equal to no, line is don't come. No, I don't have any idea. Like this suppose also good thing. Okay. A plus B will complete the work in 16 days divided by 1. Okay. So So now A completes A into days every 1. So you can see, so this is 3B into 16 equal to 2B into D 8. So D equal to 24. Wow, simple calculation, finish. Next thing, A is twice A equal to 2 times of B. He can finish work in, means A can finish work in 60 days less than B. Okay, in how many days A and B together starts? A plus B is how much? A plus B times D equal to 60 days into A. So A is 2 times of B, A is 2 times of B, 2B, 3B into D, 60 into 2 times of B, B gets cancelled. 1, D equal to 40 days. Yes, 40 days. So this is also same. Okay. So A alone can complete A alone 12 days, B 9 days. Oh. Yeah, alternate days. Suppose if 1 by 12, the next day means dot product only will come 1 by 9, 1 by 12, 1 by 9 like this. Plus the total algorithm, I don't know. Wow. See guys, simple calculation. If it's given 1 by plus 1 by B, 1 plus B. So you can see 1 by 12 plus 1 by 9 means how much will come? 7 by 36. So remaining how much days is there? So this is 2 days, 1 day, second day. So into 5 times means 7 into 5 how much? 35. So literally they worked for 10 days. So 36. So B complete. So next one 11th, after 11th day they will complete the work, A will complete the work. So what is the total number of working days? Okay. What, 10 days? Okay. Remaining only A will do. Okay. Oh wow, this is an exact time. Okay, after 11th day the work will be completed, but you can see 1 day work of A is how much? 12 days. So you can see after 11th day he will complete the work definitely, but you can see D divided by 12 equal to 1 divided by 36 at the remaining work. So D equal to 1 by 3. So 10 plus of 1 by 3rd equal to 31 by 3rd. So the exact, it means exact time also they have been mentioned. So such a good thing. do this one. So a plus b 30 through this one. So I think so I can easily do this one. So both this one you can just see. A contractor undertakes to build a wall, okay, for 50 days work. It means one work. He employs 50 people for the same, okay. Okay, after 25 days 40% work is completed. Okay, then 25 days into 50 people divided by 40%, so 0.40 work equal to next, it means now extra, so extra means needed into remaining days, how much, 25 days divided by 0.60 work cancel. So now if you just calculate means you will just get the remaining answer. Okay, so x is how much, x comes around 75 people. Okay, oh wow, see, it means remaining 25 days also, the it means it's been included because it's 25 days also, we are just including an extra, so it means here how much will come, 70. It means x equal to x, it means x extra plus of 50. Okay, it means 50 means also working for extra, so how much will come, let us give a try. 25 into 50 divided by 25 into 0.4 into 0.6 equal to x plus of 50 into 10 into 10, 6 divided by 4 will come, 25 2 25, so 75 equal to x plus of 50, so x equal to 25. Okay, 25 is needed extra. Okay, okay guys, that's it for the storage video, and let me see in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, have a good day.